I just finished my painting few weeks ago and something arrived. So I went outside my room and I found this one. Let's unbox it.
You like spirit moving, not losing you up, you don't care, who cares?
This is Sanjoki alcohol marker set. It has 120 colors with amazing brush tip and chisel tip. And not only that, it comes with A5 marker sketchbook, a color chart, a manual book, and this plastic thing. First impression is just a wow. Look how good quality the bag is. I can see that they really think about the design, and I can say that this is the best alcohol marker bag I've ever seen.
Go get loose like you used to do.
Now it's time to test and review the markers. But first, let's do the sketching.
Hey ladies, I know it's getting cold out, you know, holiday season. I know them boys in your DMs, but once you come inside, I got some fire for you. Hey, I'm put together like extra efforts, that's how I'm living. And these pretenders, they so pretentious, I hope they understand I'm seeing through it.
The sketch is done. Now it's time to do the expandation to a big piece of paper.
I'll take it there. Hey, you been looking like a really be a target, and I want you like you want me, baby girl. Let's get it now, baby. Come through, like you said, baby.
First, I took a picture of my sketch, print it, shade the back of the paper using pencil,
Come through, like you said, baby. Ooh, girl, it's getting close.
and trace the printed drawing using a blue ball pen.
And I could be a fire, you one desire, you manly man. Doing what no one else would ever dare. I mean, I'm really about it. I mean, I really got something extra, like baby girl, come read about it. I be about it, come see about it. These boys are lies, the pants are fire, I'm just a fire, you get for high.
The drawing expandation is done.
I can't lie, no, just slip out.
Now it's time to do the inking process, and I'll be using the Unipin fine liner pen to do the sexy lines.
I got problems. Yeah. I know you got problems. Know you at the bottom. Know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles. Living for a throttle. You just want bottle today. Tell me joy, west side. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems. Everybody starving. But don't you go off today. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Don't go off. Yeah. Nah, don't you go off, don't you go off now.
Inking is done. Now it's time to do my favorite part, coloring.
It's a strange.
But before I color my drawing, I'm going to make a color chart to see how the actual color looks like.
Away from material ego. You never know what's around the corner. Oh yeah. We all got our beefs and our struggles. But we keep on
First, I'm gonna color the hair and skin. So, let's do it.
Maybe it's time that we let go. We're moving on.
This is my first time using this marker, and I'm pretty shocked how smooth and juicy it is.
One step at a time to something better. So we're moving on. One step at a time to something better.
Hair and skin is done. Now, let's color the belt bag with orange.
Better. Maybe the day will be better.
Now, let's color the jacket and pants.
60 odd hours a week on the wheel. I know you do it, but how do you deal?
While coloring, I noticed something. That the marker blends well together. Same thing with Copic marker and Uhu marker.
Caught your wave, moonwalk, yeah, you got your stage. I know you've been working for what you already.
I'm a little bit scared coloring the shoes because I don't want to ruin it.
That's really all I'll say. If I had it all, I'd pay. Sick of selling all.
But let's do it anyway.
For now, let's spend some. A showstopper.
Finally, the shoes is done and it turns out great. So now, let's proceed coloring the other parts of the drawing. Few small details left. And finally, the drawing is done. So now, enjoy the final reveal, brothers and sisters.
Hey, let's call your boss and say you've had your fill. And if he won't play ball, then that team might spill. Yeah, I know that you can't go. Still feels good having ammo. Still feels good just to plan though. But let me just shut up and dance so. A showstopper, go knock 'em out. You've been like champagne.